So that's the electrical panel that they ripped out, and they literally tore the panel apart. So this would be a good photo. This is literally the old electrical panel that they tore. Okay, so at this property, we are at 645 Fernwood in Polk City area. Or not Polk City, this is North Lakeland, I would say a little bit more confederate area. But they love the military, so I'm actually, it's all good because they like military vets like me, so it's all good. So I don't normally buy houses like this. The main reason why that we're moving forward with it is the land. So if you see all this, this is 1 acre of land. I'm interested in this. This is what I'm interested in because there's potential, and everybody wants to own the land that you actually have a home in. That's kind of the key for it. So you've got a shed in the back, not bad. Now we're gonna check out the inside of the property so you guys can see everything. All right, so this is how we actually get into the property. Move the cinder block. Doors open. Hello? Hello? So main reason why you always want to scream at these properties that are 100% vacant is because if somebody's inside the property, if you stay silent, you could hear them shuffle around. And then you know somebody's in the property, right? So you can hear because somebody will get scared. You're like, hello, what's going on? I've had so many people that no exaggeration has been in my properties, and when I surprise them like that, so it's crazy. All right, so now we're in the property. I got gloves on. So you've got a lot of stuff just all over this property. Yeah, it's always interesting what you find. You know, you got people's hair here, which is actually pretty neat, right?
All right, that's the most toxic mold you can have, so we need to hurry up and get out of here.
So basically, all this has to be cut out. So you tell people we're doing drugs. So that's the electrical panel that they ripped out, and they literally tore the panel apart. So this would be a good photo. So this is literally the old electrical panel that they tore. Oh, we got some Hershey Kisses. You need some? Anybody need some Hershey Kisses? Here you go. What's up? Okay, let me get this open. Let me see if it's good chocolate or not. Let me see here. Well, I think it's a little old. What do you think? It's got a little mold on it.
So that was one room there.
Yeah.
A front living room with a step up. Yeah. Rats. What else?
So this wall can go, or you can create. So my idea was, you got a bedroom, possibly a bedroom there if you want, and just, you know, kind of going up, and this could be an open kitchen and living areas all in one. Then you got a bathroom over here. Just soft, everything's soft, so be careful on this. So you could technically make this a 3-2. That's how you would do it. So you would basically have, you got the room, you got this room right here with the walkway, the door right here. So this would be a walkway with a door. That'll be a regular room. You go up to the kitchen area, which you got your kitchen.
Hey, take a picture of that bathroom for me. Don't have the room there.
Yeah. Here. Then you got basically the kitchen, which is like this, and then you got this little. Then you got basically this opens up to the living room area. So you got living room, kitchen, all in one. So kitchen and living room, and then you've got this room over here, this room over here, and then you got your master. All right, so conclude. Obviously, this is the property that we buy. Again, these are properties that we normally don't always buy, but at the end of the day, we own the land. So whenever the numbers make sense, the deal makes sense, then I don't mind it, even though it's a lot of work. But I know once we fix this thing up, a family's gonna love this property. It's gonna have everything that you could ever want in a property: granite countertops, stainless steel, everything, right? So to conclude with it is basically we already got our checklist. Now what we're gonna do is we gotta go through every single detail on exactly what needs to get done, get the home inspector in here, make sure everything's completed the way that we need, start doing the bidding, start getting to work. So anyway, this is kind of the day in the life of, you know, a true investor in Lakeland, Florida, in Polk County in the backwoods. with some interesting flags all the way around us. So yeah, just watch the journey. And if you have any kind of questions, leave it on the comment below. Talk to you guys later. Bye.